The automated flight controls on the side scan application really make it easy for anyone to learn how to fly the 3DR Solo. The real value in the field is that it's super easy to set up, fast deployment, and really effective data capture of conditions that exist on your site. Flying the Solo really can't be any easier. Simply using the SideScan app, access one of 3 different modes, either scan, survey, or inspect. In survey mode, you simply draw a boundary around the area that you'd like to fly. The SideScan app will automatically create a flight plan around the area that you selected. From there, with one swipe to start your motors and another to take off, the Solo will take care of the rest. For this specific site, we can use the data inside Civil 3D to help calculate volumes of stockpile, create contour maps, create elevation data, and track movement of materials either across the site or off the site. Today, customers that have sites similar to this need to calculate the volume of materials on a routine basis. This usually involves shutting down the site for regular operations, as well as paying the survey crews to either scan or survey the full site. That survey can take hours if not days, and cost the company money as well as time and production.